The conclusions and recommendations section is one of the most important parts of a research paper. It summarizes the key findings, explains their significance, and provides actionable suggestions based on the results. A well-written conclusion reinforces the study's main points, while recommendations offer practical steps for future research or real-world applications. The first step in writing the conclusion is to summarize the main findings of the study. This should be a concise restatement of the most important results, highlighting how they answer the research question. For example, if a study examined the effects of social media on students' academic performance and found that excessive usage negatively impacts grades, the conclusion might state, "The findings of this study indicate that prolonged social media use is associated with lower academic performance among high school students, particularly those who spend more than 4 hours online daily." Next, explain the implications of the findings to show why they matter. This could involve discussing how the results contribute to existing knowledge, influence policy, or provide insights for specific industries. For example, these results suggest that educational institutions should promote digital literacy programs to help students develop healthier online habits and improve academic success. Connecting the study's findings to real-world applications strengthens its significance. The recommendations section provides practical steps based on the study's conclusions. These suggestions should be realistic and directly related to the research findings. For example, if a study finds that students with structured study schedules perform better, a recommendation could be, teachers and academic advisors should encourage students to follow a structured study plan, allocating specific time blocks for coursework and limiting social media distractions. Another type of recommendation involves suggesting areas for future research to address any limitations or unanswered questions. If the study was conducted in only one school, a future research recommendation might state, future studies should examine a larger and more diverse sample of students from different schools and educational backgrounds to provide a more comprehensive understanding of social media's impact on academic performance. Lastly, the final paragraph of the conclusion should provide a strong closing statement that reinforces the overall importance of the study. It should leave a lasting impression and emphasize the value of the research. For example, by understanding the impact of social media on academic performance, educators, parents, and students can work together to develop healthier study habits, leading to better educational outcomes and personal growth. By following these steps, the conclusions and recommendations section effectively summarizes the study's findings, explains their relevance, and provides meaningful suggestions for both practical applications and future research. A well-written conclusion ensures that the study leaves a strong impact on its readers. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.